Furthermore, Newton also developed the reflecting telescope. And in 1700s, by improving in the size and quality of the telescope, led to further discoveries. The English astronomer John Flamsteed catalogued over 3,000 stars. And later astronomer William Herschel made a detailed catalogue of nebulas and clusters. By 1800s, significant advances in astronomy came about with the introduction of new technology, including the spectroscope and photography. And astronomers found the stars to be similar to the Earth's own sun, but with a wide range of temperatures, masses, and sizes. And in 20th century, astronomers proved that existence of the Earth in the galaxy called Milky Way, and also found several galaxies. And in the early 1900s, they proposed a model of the Big Bang theory. At the same time, Albert Einstein published his theory of relativity. The theory led to speculations on the existence of objects such as black holes, and later by observation they discovered the existence of black hole. In 21st century, using the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT), scientists obtained an image of the black hole at the center of an radio galaxy M87, and it's one of the magnificent discovery of modern-day astronomy. Many more discoveries are out there, and soon it will be found. And now we come the end of the video. If you love the video, like, share and comment.